How cargo ships work. Most products people buy traveled by cargo ship at some point. Electronics, furniture, clothing, cars, food. Modern cargo ships transport enormous amounts of goods across oceans continuously, often with surprisingly small crews compared to their size. Which means global trade depends heavily on floating logistics systems operating across international shipping routes every day. So today we are going to walk through how cargo ships actually work and how massive amounts of freight move around the world. Cargo ships transport goods across oceans internationally. Large vessels move containers and bulk cargo efficiently. Global trade depends heavily on maritime transportation. Cargo ships use large steel hulls for buoyancy and strength. Internal compartments support cargo organization and stability. Ship size varies depending on cargo type. Most cargo ships use massive diesel engines. Propellers generate thrust through water. Marine engines prioritize efficiency and reliability heavily. Containers standardized global shipping operations significantly. Ships transport thousands of containers simultaneously. Standard sizing simplified loading and logistics. Ports use giant cranes for cargo handling. Containers move between ships, trucks, and trains efficiently. Logistics coordination remains critically important. Cargo ships use GPS and navigation systems continuously. Routes account for weather and fuel efficiency. Marine traffic management supports safety globally. Modern cargo ships operate with relatively small crews. Bridge systems monitor navigation and engine operations continuously. Automation reduced manual workload significantly. Cargo ships consume enormous amounts of fuel. Efficiency strongly affects shipping economics. Alternative fuels and emissions regulations continue evolving. Ships use ballast tanks for balance and stability. Weight distribution affects safe operation heavily. Stability systems adjust during changing cargo conditions. Cargo ships connect directly to global logistics systems. Ports became essential trade infrastructure. Shipping networks support international economies continuously. Ocean conditions create operational risks. Storms and rough seas affect navigation and scheduling. Marine engineering prioritizes durability heavily. Cargo ships became the foundation of global trade infrastructure. Containerization transformed international logistics dramatically. Modern economies rely heavily on maritime transportation networks. To wrap up, cargo ships work by using massive hulls, marine propulsion systems, containerized cargo operations, and global navigation infrastructure to transport goods efficiently across oceans. Ports, cranes, logistics systems, and international shipping routes coordinate worldwide freight movement continuously. Fuel efficiency, stability systems, and weather navigation remain critically important for safe operations. Modern cargo shipping became one of the most important systems supporting global trade and supply chains. This has been a mini Leviathan production. If you enjoyed it, check out our other videos. See you in the next one.